In this video, I will show you how to set user permissions in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. At the top, use the search bar and type Users. Click on the first result that appears to open your store's user management page. Here, you'll see a list of all the users who have access to your BigCommerce account. Select the user whose permissions you want to edit. On the right side of their email, click the three-dot icon, and from the drop-down, choose Edit. This will open the user's permission settings. Scroll through the available permission categories. You can customize access under options like Sales Staff Permissions, Sales Manager Permissions, System Admin Permissions, and even High-Risk Permissions. These settings control what each user can view or manage, such as orders, products, store settings, or API access. Adjust the permissions according to the level of access you want that user to have. Once you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save on the lower right corner to apply the changes. And that's how to set user permissions in BigCommerce.